Let's see how to change autosave time in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, Microsoft Word has a feature that makes it save your document or a progress of your document from time to time. And this ensures that whenever Microsoft Word crashes, it will maintain a copy of your progress depending on how much it has saved. Now, to change the time or the intervals between each save, what you can do is first click on the File tab. From here, click on Options. Now, look for Save right here. And right here, under Save AutoRecover information every blank minutes, you can set the amount of time that you want in between each save. And when you're done with that, click on OK, and that should automatically apply to your document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.